did park in the parking garage, so that's how we came in. Hope everybody can hear me because I'm trying not to be as loud as I normally am. Oh, this is something for you guys to know. Look, smoking is only, sorry. Okay, y'all can read that, so anyway. But yeah, so there's no smoking, like in the casino, because a lot of people say, oh, I don't want to go because there's not smoke. But there's actually no smoke.
Number 5626. Eric Goins, partner against 00330.
No, it's not.
And David Martinez, partner
I don't know
799651.
if that's going to change.
Against Julian Donald, Eric Goins, and David Martinez. Just picked up $500 in free play. Please check in at the promotions desk. That's what you're going to see on your prize.
So Andy's, okay.
I'm glad I brought it.
We're at the Steakhouse. Very nice. Zoom in there. I'll unzoom before I get show Chuck.
Oh, wow.
Say hi, Chuck.
Okay, we are at Ignite Steakhouse in Southland Casino.
Yeah.
And Chef Steven Strobe has just come out, and he brought us an appetizer, which is a Wagyu steak
From Japan.
from Japan. Look at this thing.
In fact, he's got the certificate on it. He's going to come and show it to us, but he's actually got the certificate for it.
It's a certificate that tells us where the steak came from, the cow, how old it was, and all the information that you can get on a piece of meat. Oh my gosh, it smells. I know you can't smell it, but that smells amazing. And this is our lettuce.
Yeah.
That is a red Cherokee, which is a leaf lettuce. It's one of our signature lettuces, and he said he wouldn't serve it on anything else.
That's right. And this is some a crab with I forgot what all he said. And this is like a sauce thing for it too. So yum.
Yum. Well, that's where we are so far, and we'll show you the rest of this as it comes out.
Yeah. Okay, so what we got is the tomahawk steak. So is that not gorgeous? I mean, and I don't know, do you remember what kind of sausage they have in there or whatever?
But some kind of bourbon butter.
Oh yeah, bourbon butter. It looks like they got some mushrooms in there too.
This is calamaris. That's the mushroom. I forgot what these
I think
were.
they just hooked us up with all the different sauces, didn't they? Yeah, I think so. Oh, and then there's the carrots, the roasted carrots.
And the mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes. So yeah, we're
I started early.
Oh, he started. We're kind of full from everything else, but yeah, we're excited. We will definitely be taking a to-go box, or two. But anyway, I just want to introduce you to Chef Steven.
Hello.
Phenomenal. I cannot even tell you guys enough about the meal and everything that we had. It was just awesome. But I'm gonna let Chef Steven, I'm gonna hold the phone so they can hear you better and everything, and you can kind of show them whatever you want to show them. Okay.
So this is Chef Steven Strobe here at Ignite Steakhouse, and we just wanted to reach out and welcome anybody and everybody to come by and try us out and see what we're doing. We've got Wagyu coming up. We're excited about what we're doing. Don't be afraid and let the casino push you away. The steakhouse is here, and we're welcoming all guests. We want to have you guys come by and have a good time. Check us out.
Yes, and I can just say that, oh, that's too close for me.
I got you.
That's too close for me, but I will say that the Wagyu was phenomenal, but also the crab.
Yes. We have menu changes coming up. We're going to be rolling out a new menu here in the next month, and part of the menu is some of the crab Oscars and some of the sauces going along with it. So they got to try that today. Just a small portion of what we got coming, just a little bit of a preview.
Yeah, it was phenomenal, you guys. You won't regret it, I promise. And stay on this side of the river. West Memphis has this right in their backyard. I mean, come on. You know.
Yeah, it's really something that I was born in West Memphis, grew up and raised here, and so it's something that I take a lot of pride in. I didn't ever really see being in West Memphis, being a chef here, but it's working out pretty good. I enjoy it, and we do a lot of local sourcing with our products coming from these guys and other local southern within 2 hours of here. We use a lot of local companies, a lot of good products that we put out.
And if you're not from here and you're from a distance away, it's worth the drive. Trust me.
Yep, believe me. If you're out towards Tunica, just skip it. Come this way.
Yep.
There you go. We're good.
Good. Thanks, y'all.
Thank you.